In this video, we'll try to understand the use of static variable and rule about the static variable. And can we call main recursively? So let's see this code. Static int a equal to 5. Before we start, you should know the rule of the static variable. Now, the rule of the static variable says, if you do not initialize the static variable, it will be having default value 0. It initializes only once and persist value. Initialize only once means when you read static int a equal to 5, it will read this statement only one time. Suppose in this example, int main, and if you see here, you are calling main again. So this is recursive function. Function is calling itself is called recursive function. So now what will happen when you start the application? This data will read first time a equal to 5. Static variable resides in external memory block. So a block of memory, a ka memory block will get created. Value 5 gets stored. After this line, in the memory, the value of a will become 6. So it will print 6. Now what we have written here, the condition. If a less than equal to 10, yes, what is the value of a? 6. Is 6 less than 10? Yes. Then call this function again. So from here, your control goes to main. So it is calling the main function again. Now what we discussed, it initializes only once. So this line will not be read when it calls the function again. Second rule, persist value. It means what is the last value on a? 6. So when I read a plus plus, it will be incremented from 6 to 7. So it will print 7. Is 7 less than 10? Yes. Again, you are calling recursively the main function. Initialize only once. Persist value. What was the last value? 7. So after the statement, it will become 8. Is 8 less than 10? Yes. Again, you are calling recursively the main function. Initialize only once. Persist value. What was the last value? So what was the last value? Plus it will be incremented. So with this, you must have understood that how many times this recursive function will get called? 6 is less than 10, yes. 7 is less than 10, yes. 8 is less than 10, yes. 9 is less than 10, yes. Then when it comes 10, 10 is less equal to 10, yes. A recursive call will go. It will increment it. It will print 11. And when it comes here 11, 11 is less than 10, no. And then you jump out. So I hope you have understood the output. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 get printed.